Hello, everybody. CSA Breakers here. Ready to do another Bowman break. Tonight we have a Bowman Hobby Box. This is a Bowman Hobby Box Break number 2. Hope to do some more of these. Last night we had a bunch of luck. We hit 3 cards, numbered out of 25. We hit a really nice auto, nice prospect auto. Blue on blue, as he plays for the Royals. A nice blue autograph, numbered to 150 because I believe it was a blue. Like I mentioned, what's going on? I'm going to invite some people into the break here. Get it going. One second here. Let me invite some peeps. Let me invite the people on the break. Oh, sorry, brother. I'm just trying to invite people to the break, but I think I invited you by accident, Mantis. My bad, brother. Sorry about that, bruh. I'm trying to do my break right now for Bowman. I got it filled up. I'm just waiting for everybody in the break to come in. That's why I didn't do it earlier. What's going on, Beans? There we go. There's one. Baseball card gossip. What's up, dude? Tie Flow, there's 2. Yo, what up? Tie Flow, what up, dude? I need some more good ideas. I need some good YouTube titles, dude. I need some good YouTube titles. Comment, like, subscribe. My Hobby Box Break. Hobby Box Break number 2. Bowman. We're pulling heat. Tatum's pulling heat. Jason Tatum, boys. Oh, my Lord. What, he dropped 60 tonight? Crazy. Celtics are back. I've been saying that all year. That's what bothers me about the Celtics is they win a game like that, and I'm like, yeah, they're back, and then they'll lose to the friggin' worst team in the league the next game. Is what it is, I guess. But hopefully we can catch some momentum. Celtics will get some momentum and head into the playoffs and start winning some games. Hopefully the Celtics can avoid the play-in games too. The Celtics do not want to end in the play-in game. It's just not worth it. They're too good of a team. They need to get like the 5th or 4th seed if possible. All right, seems like we pretty much have everybody in the break now. Appreciate you guys. I went live earlier, but I didn't have too many people log in right away, so I wanted to make sure there wasn't an issue. We are good to go now. We have pretty much everybody in the break, so it looks like we're all set, ready to go. We do have Bowman break number 2 here. Good luck to all. We'll start it up. Randomized tonight. All right. We're going to roll some virtual dice here in a virtual world. And we're randomizing tonight 2 times. Yikes. Big yikes. All right. Good luck, y'all. Two times. It's going to be quick. Good luck. 1, 2. All right, tier 2. Yeah, catch your break, brother. Appreciate you, man. Bean and Burger, 22. All right, next tier, we got tier 2. Twice, 1, 2. paste it. Tier 1, guys. Good luck. One, two. There it is. Red Sox number 10, Blue Jays number 1. You got Brewers number 9. Good luck, y'all. There it is. We are also trying to fill a break tonight for prison basketball. We got select football as well. If not, those breaks will take place tomorrow. All right, y'all. Good luck. We got Jimmy with 2 spots, brother. Appreciate you. You have 2 really nice teams tonight. You got the Brewers and the Blue Jays. So, nice job there. Good luck tonight. Hopefully we pull you some nice cards with those 2 nice teams. You also have the A's, the Pirates, the Indians, and the Cardinals. We got baseball card gossip with 2 spots as well. Appreciate you, brother. Phillies, Tigers, Marlins, Astros, Braves, Rays. We got NC Sports Cards 828. What's going on, brother? Rangers, Mariners, Orioles, Ty Flo. What up, Ty Flo? Yankees, Cubs, Royals. Trey Dunnigan 24. Trey, what up, brother? Twins, Padres, D-backs, Diamondbacks, Card Pimps, Pop-Up Pimp, and Madame. Hope you guys are doing well. White Sox, Dodgers, Reds, Eldio Perez 1988 with 2 spots. Appreciate you, brother. Nice team in the Red Sox. You also got the Angels, the Nationals, the Rockies, the Giants, and the Mets. And that will complete the series there. So good luck, y'all. I'm going to zoom on out. If you guys have any questions, if you need to know your teams at any point, just let me know and I'll shoot you a message below. But we're going to start the break. I'm not sure on that, dude. I'm not going to pretend like I can answer that question. Alright, guys. Good luck to all. I'm not sure who the exact... I don't know enough about the set type flow to be able to answer that. Unfortunately, I'm still learning. I'm just going to take a couple swigs of coffee and then I'm putting the gloves on, boys. Yeah, I'm not going to pretend like I know what I'm talking about. Because I don't. Talk to me in a couple weeks, I will. That's for sure. But in the meantime, I guess we'll learn together here. Appreciate you guys. All right. Let's see. I'm writing your teams out right now for you, baseball. So, I just wrote your teams out, baseball card. Baseball card gossip. I just wrote your teams out for you. So you could see them. If anybody else needs to know their teams, just let me know. Get you clued in on that. As I knock everything down there in the back. Guess that means one thing. About to pull some heat. Destroy the cards. They're graded 10s forever, so it's all good now. They're always 10s. All right, first pack. All right. Huh? All right, crouch it. Pete Alonso, Manny Machado. That's a nice hit for the Phillies. Phillies tonight, baseball card gossip. Wando, this is a nice hit for the Rays here. Baseball card gossip. Pack 2. There we go. Nice hit for the Phillies again. Baseball card gossip. There we go. Indians first. Jimmy DeLita. Jimmy. We'll take care of it for you, bud. Another first here for the Rangers. Let's keep it going. Former Rocky here. Aaron Judge hitting bombs for the Yanks. You got Yaz's grandson. You got a second-year Bo Bichette. You got a nice, cool-looking card here for the Angels. A Joe Adell rookie card. Angels tonight. Aldio Perez, 1988. The Chrome cards. Brewers. Yeah, we got to top the 3 orange cards last night, numbered out of 25. And then that blue-on-blue auto we had. That was crazy. All right. Bogarts. Paul Goldschmidt. Josh Bell. Futurist. I like to think of myself as more of a centrist. There we go. Phillies. Baseball card gossip. There we go. Mets. Aldio Perez, 1988. That's a green, numbered at a 125. That's 18. 18 out of 125. I don't know if you can see my crappy camera. But a nice 18 out of 125 for the Mets. A nice card there. So back-to-back nice hits. We had really back-to-back really nice chrome hits there. So let's take care of them, start showing them off. 2 really nice hits there. Here's one. We had the Indians player from earlier. Mets. Then we had that Indians hit earlier. All right, let's see if we can start getting some nice ones here. Mookie Betts. Bregman. Got a Jose Abreu. Fernando Tatis Jr. There we go. Joey Bart, catcher for the Giants. Giants tonight. Aldeo Perez, 1988. Ed Howard. Let's see what we got. There's a first for the Dodgers. Dodgers tonight. Card Pimps. Joey Bart. Nice. Sonny Gray's pretty good. I think he's better, at least better than people thought he'd be long term. He's had a pretty good career. I see some. Nope, that's an insert. Okay. Rookie for the Padres, I believe. Excuse me. Padres. They got another rookie for the Padres back to back there. Acuna. Blaze Jordan, Red Sox insert. Let me know if you want to sell, because I'm blind Blaze right now, as I am a diehard Red Sox fan. 1988, Aldeo Perez. A nice hit for the Red Sox in 1988. Let's see what the chrome are. Nice, purple. Number to 250. Rangers. Another nice color hit for the Rangers there. NC Sport Card 828. $37 out of 250. Bobby Witt. Royals. Tyflo. Laura. Rangers. Keep it running. Blaze Jordan, insert. Blaze up. Next pack. Garcia. Okay, nice one here for the Marlins. Nice pitcher. Yordan Alvarez. DeGrom. What a year DeGrom is having right now. Crazy. Julio Rodriguez. There we go. Rangers. Let's take care of it for you. NC Sport Cards, 828. There he is again. Rangers. That was a Ranger pack right there. Crazy. Ho! Crazy! Let's go, dude. I gotta shut my alarm off. Laura. Second hit, Rangers. Let me get another hit. Rangers. What is up, Caribbean? Beauty. Another beauty. Next pack. Christian Yelich. Starting us off. I like to see that. Sean Murphy, second year. Kyle Lewis, second year. Max Scherzer, second year. No, I'm just kidding. Matt Manning. Price prospect for the White Sox. And then we got a first for the Angels. Boom. Angels. Aldio Perez, 1988. Hitting tonight. Hitting helps when you have two spots and two good teams. But Perez with another nice card here. Boom. This kid looks more of a badass. So he gets the spot. Next pack. All right. What a year for this kid, huh? Mac Chapman, Baez. There we go. Joe Adell, Angels, rookie card. Aldio Perez, 1988. Padres. Boom! Blaze it. Red Sox. Let me know if you want to sell. Aldio Perez, 1988. Back-to-back boxes with a nice blaze chrome. She nice. Blaze it. Let's see that auto. We got a first here for the White Sox. Jared Kelly, first for the Twins. So a nice pack there. Twins tonight. Tyler Dunnigan, or excuse me, Trey Dunnigan, 24. Blaze it. Red Sox, baby. Joe Adell. Next pack. Mountcastle. Orioles. Like to see him pick it up a little bit. There we go. There's a three-way for the Brewers. Jimmy. See what the chromes are. Rangers prospect. And then we get a first for the Indians. Indians hitting nice tonight. Indians. Can you even call him that anymore? That's Jimmy DeLita. There we go. Angels. All right. Ryan Mountcastle, his Series 1 card. Identical, obviously. Hobby, what up? Chris Bryant. Anthony. There we go. Bobby Dahlback, another Red Sox hit. El Dio. Another hit for the, we get a nice hit for the Braves. Center fielder there. And then Ruiz. A's. There we go. Rangers. Rangers having a nice night. They cracked ice. There's a prospect for the Rangers. NC Sport Cards, 828. Take care of it for you. Austin Wells. All right, next pack. What's going on? We are the North Iron Card Breaks, or Iron Bound Breaks. Hey, what's going on, guys? Been a little while since I've seen you guys. We got Trevor, Solar, Sanchez. Look at that. A nice pipeline, three-way, a three-way pipeline for the Dodgers. Dodgers tonight. Card Pimps. Card Pimps with a 3D, three-way pipeline. Got a nice Lacey for the Royals. Took care of that. We hit Lacey, the blue-on-blue auto last night, numbered to 150. Rockies. All right, next pack. I'm going to actually, you know what we'll do? We'll clear out. We'll make it look a little nicer. We'll clear it out. Let's count how many packs we have left here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 packs to go. So we still got a good amount to go here. Yeah, we still got a good amount to go. We got a lot of good cards already, so we still got the auto to pull. We still have the auto and a bunch of other nice cards. All right. Sorry, guys. I'm trying. Y'all need better cell phone batteries. We got a nice haze here for the Pirates. Some people are saying this guy's the rookie of the year, or at least the prospect of the year. That is a rookie. We got Spencer Howard. Spencer Howard. Votto. Evan White. Mariners. Angels. Mariners. Red Sox. There we go. Shortstop first for the White Sox. Card Pimps. I'm busting you guys for your cell phone battery, and I'm probably going to run out of cell phone battery midstream. I'm just kidding. We'll be all right. Jose Garcia. What's going on, Lex? Check out a nice baseball break. Speaking of nice baseball break, that's a nice rookie for the Cardinals, Dylan Carlson. Dude's killing it right now. Miguel Cabrera. There we go. Alexander Ramirez. Bowman first. Angels. Aldio Perez, 1988. Nice hit. Hunter Bishop, that's the Giant prospect. Let's take care of Ramirez. All right, let's improve on that. Ohtani. Jason Dominguez. Chrome. Yankees. Tyflo. Centering looks pretty good. So nice chrome. And then speaking of Yankees, Yankee first. Boom. A Yankee first for Ty Flow. That's gonna probably boost out the Dylan Carlson is gonna get booted, and this thing's gonna get boosted up there with a nice Yankee first. Riley Green. We also had that Dominguez as well. Real Man Bear Pig, what's going on? Double hits. That was nice. Jason Dominguez. Is this the auto pack? Is this a parallel? Am I gonna eat ice cream later? We'll find out. Lewis, Mike Trout, another Lewis Castillo. Got Cody Bellinger. Diamondbacks. Boom. Reds first. Reds tonight. Card Pimps. So another first for Card Pimps. Bowman Chrome. Yeah, so far so good, especially for you, LDO. You've got a bunch of hits. Good teams. It's another nice hit for Card Pimps. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 packs to go. Let's keep it going. We still have the auto to come. Yikes. All right, there's something in here. Look at that, guys. Angel Martinez, Indians. That's a purple auto out of 250. Bowman first. Cleveland Indians. You can take away their mascot, but you can't take away their ballers. Indians. Jimmy Delita. Jimmy with the purple 218 out of 250. Cleveland Indians, Bowman first. Probably the nicest card we've hit so far. Bowman break number 2. We still got Bowman more to come. So check us out. Appreciate you guys. Let's finish the pack. Dylan. A Dylan Dingler. And then a nice Red Sox prospect. So we'll take care of the auto right now. Get the how thick is this? Let me get the bigger sleeve for you and the bigger top loader. All right. All right, let me get a slightly bigger top loader for you. Jesus. All right. Here it is. A beauty. We are 2 for 2 so far on the Bowman boxes. And we're getting a fresh pack next week, so hopefully we have some nice new boxes starting on Monday. But these ones were nice. And we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs to go. So let's add to it. Good luck, y'all. Gleyber Torres. Like Snell. You Darvish. Huh. Blaze Jordan, paper. I'm buying. Red Sox, Eldio Perez. 1988. It's a nice first. Then we have, boom, a blue first. Eddie Diaz. Eddie Diaz. He's a second baseman shortstop. Bowman first for the Rockies. A beautiful Tier 3 hit for no other than Eldio Perez, 1988, who's having himself a night. A lot of hits tonight. So we will have a new card in the top 7 there. Bowman first, numbered 350 out of 499. Nice blue, baby blue. Also have the Just Blaze Jordan. Evan White. Got a Nick Lofton. Cubbies. Bowman first for the Indians again. Andrew Vaughn. It's a non-rookie, even though it's his rookie year. Probably see his rookie card in the Bowman Chrome. All right. 5 packs to go. Joey Bart. Colton Weckler. And then a nice Pirates prospect. There we go. Micah Bell. Phillies. Bowman first. Another one. Bowman first. Reyes. Excuse me, that's the Tigers. Baseball card gossip. keep it going. Clark Schmidt. Rookie for the Indians. Ian Anderson, rookie. Nice hit for the Mariners. I'll take care of a few cards here in a moment. Rangers. All right, 3 packs to go. Let's get some more hits. Josh Donaldson. Nola. Joey Gallo. Got a Vlad. Vlad having himself a season so far. That's a cool looking card for the Cincinnati Reds. Nice looking insert there. Reminds me a lot like a 90s insert. Reds. Astros and Diamondbacks. 2 packs to go. Come on. Come on. Let's add to the hits. Here we go. Jazz. We got a Miz. He's on the cover. Come on. Yankees. Then we got a nice insert. Rookie of the Year favorite. Phillies. The Chrome. Whitley. Diaz. Jason Dominguez. Paper. Nick York. Diaz. Last pack. Good luck, guys. We'll do a recap after this. We get a bunch of hits. Let's add to it. Luis Roberts, 2nd year. Get a Freddie Freeman. I like this kid for the Red Sox. Red Sox had a decent box. El Dio. Sam Huff. Kalenic. Mariners. Go Waters. Got a Volpe. Yankees for Tyflo. First for the Cubs. Tyflo. Last card is a first for the Yankees. Tyflo. Tyflo had a nice last pack there. Let's recap. Give me a moment to organize the hits. And we're going to do the recap. What a card for the Indians. Crazy. All right. We had so many hits, but we'll go over the major ones. That 3 for Mariners. Jason Dominguez. Get the Orioles prospect. Sanchez. Lacey. Alec Baum, Rookie of the Year. As far as the top loaded cards, before we do the top 7, we had the cracked ice for the Rangers. A nice first for the Indians. A futurist, Blaze Jordan, Red Sox. Laura. Micah Bell, Chrome for the Phillies. Blaze Paper. Abrias. Acosta, Rangers first. It's a Reds first. Carlson, rookie. Blaze Jordan, Chrome. Joey Bart. That's the catcher rookie for the Giants. Then we had this Alexander Ramirez. First for the Angels. We had the first for the Yankees. Another first for the Angels. So Odeo Perez did the best with the Red Sox and the Angels, who hit the most. We had the blue here. 350 out of 499. Rockies. It's a bluish card here. Brett Batty. 18 out of 125. Mets. We had that purple Laura. Rangers. And then what a beautiful card here. This is a Bowman Chrome first purple. 218 out of 250 for the Indians. What a card. I'm going to get a screenshot right now. This is probably the last break of the night. We do have, unless we can fill the Prism basketball or the Select football, those will be tomorrow. We'll be doing more Bowman on Monday. And we'll have probably Topps Chrome baseball either tomorrow or Sunday in the meantime. Topps Chrome from last year. So Angel Martinez Indians, 218, 250. What a hit. What a pull. Congratulations. Appreciate you guys. We had another good box. We're going to keep it going. Like I said, started up on Monday, but we have Prism basketball. We got Prism football, Optic football. We got Select football in the meantime. We got Topps Chrome in the meantime. So I appreciate you guys. Have a great Friday night. Have a great weekend. Congratulations to all that hit. Thanks to everybody that came out. Thanks to everybody who joined up on the break. And like I said, have a great weekend, guys. Thanks.